you're experiencing low performance on your Nintendo Switch, there are several steps you can take to improve its speed and responsiveness. Follow this guide to optimize your device. Step 1. Clear cache. Go to System Settings, then select Data Management. From there, choose Save Data Cloud Backup and clear the cache for any games that are running slowly. This can help free up memory and improve performance. Step 2. Update software. Ensure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, select System, and then choose System Update. Keeping your software updated can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 3. Manage storage. Check your available storage space by going to System Settings and selecting Data Management. Delete any unused games or applications to free up space, as a full storage can slow down performance. Step 4. Limit background applications. Close any games or applications running in the background. Press the Home button, highlight the game you want to close, and press the X button to exit. This can help allocate more resources to the game you are currently playing. Step 5. Optimize power settings. Adjust your power settings by going to System Settings, then selecting Sleep Mode. Set the Auto Sleep feature to a shorter time to conserve battery life and ensure your device runs efficiently. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in your Nintendo Switch's performance. Regular maintenance and updates can help keep your device running smoothly.